Hello, my name is Michael Saunders, and I'm the CEO at Associated Physicians Group. At APG, we specialize in a better way to treat pain. Today, I'd like to talk to you about our alternative to knee replacement surgery. Each year, almost 1 million people get knee replacement surgery. Osteoarthritis of the knee and bone-on-bone knee pain can be debilitating. But at APG, we have a solution that can help you avoid surgery and get you out of pain. We have been perfecting our program for nearly 20 years, and in 2016, we were awarded a patent. In addition, there have been numerous independent clinical studies that show we have an 87% effective rate. We have also treated nearly 10,000 patients in this area, and the best part, it's covered by insurance. So let me tell you a little bit about this program and how it works. First, we'll do a thorough exam with radiological evidence to make sure you're a good candidate. If so, we'll proceed with what's called an arthrogram, which is an injection of dye into the joint space, so we can get a very accurate picture of your knee. Next, we'll prescribe a series of viscosupplementation injections. This is using FDA-approved medications that help the body produce synovial fluid, which is the cushioning in that joint space. If appropriate, we'll also prescribe a customizable unloader knee brace, which can help you get out of pain immediately and provide you the stability and alignment in your knee so you can begin your rehabilitation program. Finally, we'll prescribe a series of physical therapy exercises, which allow you to strengthen your knee and improve your range of motion, and get you back to that lifestyle you deserve. This program works and it's repeatable. In fact, most of our patients repeat this program every 6 months as the results build upon themselves, and it can actually reduce and reverse the impacts of the arthritis in the knee. So click the link below and schedule your appointment at one of our 6 convenient locations. We have 4 locations in Illinois and 2 in Missouri. We have a team of talented clinicians on standby ready to treat you. Thanks for listening.